Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you what to do if your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE has its auto brightness not working. So at first, I do recommend to turn your phone on, and then I do recommend to go straight into the system settings. Now you have to scroll down till you see the display and disable the adaptive brightness and enable it back again. Just do a quick refresh of the option. Now it should work. It's because you're resetting the bugs and the option. But if it still doesn't work, you have to take the microfiber cloth, for example here like this. Don't use any other materials, just use soft cloth, as soft as possible, and wipe the camera here. When you have this dot camera, as you can see, wipe it with your cloth. It should fix the issue because it just might be dirty, and the best fix for it is just to clean it. Now go back to this, enable or disable the adaptive brightness. Now it should work perfectly fine, but if it still doesn't, I do recommend to take off the screen protector you have on your phone. Here, as you can see, I don't have the screen protector, but if you do, and if the screen protector is, for example, anti-reflexive or some water resistant, something like that, take it off. Actually, it might collide with your camera and light detector. Yes, somehow it might, and especially when this phone is almost 5 years old, so that's for today. So yeah, that's the case. But if it still didn't work, I do recommend to refresh the phone. To refresh the phone, just let's restart this phone. You have to hold the volume down button and the power button so that you can see this power menu. Tap restart and restart phone again. Now let's wait until we see our phone restarted. As you can see, it takes a while because it's other phone. Don't worry, it's completely normal. Optimizing apps. This process, as I said, should refresh the sensors in your phone, and yes, you should get rid of the bugs that might be there. Now, as you can see, our phone is turned on. So let's go into the system settings back again. Scroll down to the display here, enable this option, and just experiment with that. If this didn't work for you, go back to the main menu of the settings and scroll down to the software update. Here tap download and install, and here, as you can see, network not available, so yes, but here if you have any update in your phone, just do it. Update your phone. You should have your bugs fixed. And why is that? Sometimes Samsung, even though that this phone is old, releases some updates for your phone that might fix some bugs that occur very often. And yes, It might be a security patch, of course, but if it's not a security patch or bug fix patch, download it instantly. And that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leave a like under this video. It's very important to us. And if you have some questions or drawbacks to this video, tell me in the comments too. And as I said, that's it. Hope it helps you, and have a nice day. Goodbye!